You visit this website and click on Browse Templates. There are a lot of templates to choose from. You pick the one that is suitable for you. So we'll be going on with this, the dynamic 5-step timeline. So after you've chosen it, you come down and click Customize. So in the customization process, that's where you get to replace the images and text there with your own text. So we'll be changing that to phase 1. And then we select our media. So we'll be doing the same for the remaining images and main text. After we are done, we click on the preview video, and then it gives us a preview of our video. Then we click on download if we are satisfied, and then we download our video.